Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do wand curls on a curly unit. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also follow me on IG at arie.thegoddess. So to start off, I am blow drying the hair, making sure to get all the curls, the waves out, because you want to make sure that this hair is strictly blown out. Like I'm talking about a Dominican blowout. Like you just blowed out your 4C hair. So you want to make sure that you get all of those waves out and blow dry that hair as much as possible. It actually took me a while to really blow dry this hair because, you know, curly hair is really thick and it had layers, so I ended up like splitting the hair off into sections and just blow drying it that way just to make sure, because as you can see, the top is straight, but you could tell underneath it's still pretty curly. So just make sure to section it off and get every section to make sure it is really straight and blown out.
You know, say anything when you do, they must comment it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when you do, I try to destroy me. I can't come and see myself. Plenty, so far we be face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say, I know one time, I know one time, I know one time. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all you been doing. The girl, ride the window. I know, who I thought now.
So now that the hair is all blown out, I am sectioning off the hair. First, sectioning off the frontal just to make sure that I do that last, because when I'm doing my hair and installing my wigs, I don't like to do the frontal because I still have to lay the wig down. So I prefer to style the frontal last. So once I branched off the frontal from the rest of the wig, I split the wig in half and then blow dried it some more just to make sure to get all those waves out. And then I'm going to proceed to curling it on a wand curl. So I'm just making sure I get all those extra waves, because as you see, like, it's kind of hard. So then I'm using my Fantasia Heat protectant spray and just spraying that lightly, because you don't want your hair to be oily from the product and it weighs the hair down. And now I'm just going to section off the hair and start wand curling. Now the key to wand curling is doing small sections for like that more fuller look. Like if you like a lot of curls like me, I want everything curl. I don't want no loose curls if I'm doing like a tight curl look. So you want to make sure you take a small section of that hair, spray it with some holding spray. I'm using the Mitchel holding spray. I like to use this for my wigs, but everything will be listed below in the description box, by the way. But I like to spray that with some holding spray, and then I'm taking my wand curl and I'm going to wrap it around the wand. So as I am wrapping it around the wand, I am twisting it as I wrap it. And I also slowed it down so y'all can really see. But as I'm twisting the wand curl around the rod, I'm going to hold it in my hand for a couple of seconds and then go back in with a Flexirod and just hold it. Now, you don't have to do the Flexirod method. That's like if you doing your wig overnight and you really want the curls to set or whatever. But while you're doing your hair, you can just really like hold it and let it drop. But I also recommend that you like put a clip to let it hold, because the more the curl hold the heat, the better the curl is gonna come out. So that's why I personally, when I'm doing wand curls, I like to go ahead and just roll it up with a Flexirod just so it can hold all of that heat. So yeah, that is how you do your wand curls on the curly wig. And here I just slowed it down for y'all so y'all can, see the flick of my wrist or whatever. Just so y'all can see how I am turning and twisting the hair on the iron. So I slowed it down so that y'all can see I'm twisting and turning as I'm wrapping it around. That's how you get a wand curl. It's all in the wrist, the flick of the wrist.
Stallion, it ain't no step on, no, you stay on the run. Ain't on the side, you're number one. Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done. 50-50, love the way you split it. 100 racks up and spin it back. Light a match, get lit it back. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah, yeah. Rolling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, to the work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, to the work my way. Standing up, keep me on the rise. Lost control of myself, I'm compromised. You're incriminating, no disguise. And you ain't never running low on supplies. 50-50, love the way you split it. 100 racks up and spin it back. Light a match, get lit it back. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah, yeah. Rolling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. You stay flexing on me, yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. We work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, to the work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, to the work my way. Up in the Lambo.
So this is how half of the head looks. Okay, we're getting some wear. Y'all, this is a long process, okay? This is the whole head. When I tell y'all wand curls takes a long time. So I'm taking the Sebastian Shaper Plus, spraying that all over my curls just for them to have a longer hold. And then y'all already know I'm gonna do my ball cap method. Gel my edges down with the Got to Be Glue gel in the black bottle. I don't like the yellow bottle. I found that the yellow bottle uses like a white cast. I used to use that, so I stopped. So that's what I used to gel down my edges, using my white stockings, Ruby Kisses, level 15, the dark side, you know, the usual to lay down my ball cap method. But now that I've uploaded this video, it's past Thanksgiving, so hopefully y'all had a wonderful Thanksgiving, meeting with y'all families and stuff like that. Because you know what, my Thanksgiving was trash. The food was trash. The only people who didn't disappoint me was my mom, my grandma, and I was so sad. Like, you ever be so amped up about something, about some food, and you be so hungry, and when you finally eat the food, it's just a disappointment. Like, that's how it was, and I was so sick to my stomach because I really wanted to eat. I haven't been excited about Thanksgiving in forever, and the one time I am excited at my big grown age, the food was a disappointment. But all in all, that was just a sign for all of my cousins to start cooking next year. We need to let aunties and grandmas sit down. They need to retire. Cause that is a lot of cooking on them, and they starting to lose the sauce a little bit. Except for my grandma, cause my grandma held it down with the mac and cheese, and my mom too. So I hope y'all had a better Thanksgiving than mine, cause it was tragic. I was really hyped for that food, and my taste buds was crying.
I'm outstanding, so I stand out. I'm more babes than a bathhouse. Top gun on my Tom Cruise. Made for keeps and I don't lose. You more than love it, cause I'm cool as a breeze. So pick a poison, yeah, I got what you need. Nonchalant, got the green on rotation all night. We gon' keep it psychedelic like a
So to clean off my skin, I'm taking the 70% alcohol and just wiping that down across my forehead. Then I'm getting ready to place the wig on my head just to make sure it's fitting right. It's sitting where I want to sit it because I'm about to get ready to lay down the glue. And this wig was heavy with them rollers in. Like, oh my gosh, I don't see how the aunties did it back in the day. Like, of course, I'm pretty sure they took it all down before. But I'm taking a boho active, 3 layers, and I'm waiting till each layer dries clear before I move on with the next. And once all the layers dry clear, then I'm going to proceed to just press my lace wig into that glue.
yeah, I can fuck you with my chains, them should take a look. Yeah, come and catch your way, take one out my cup. Yeah, damn the OG, yeah, damn the police. Wildin' in SV, yeah, moving up your street. When we on the creek, can't be saying to the beach. Ain't no day, ain't no night, make no plans, ain't no sleep. Got better stem, catch a wave on us. Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. Blue sky walking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a birthday. Things come to those that wait up. But don't wait to jump in too long. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. I was moving, but I'm better now. All games I've been wrapping up. Kick the dead to pull like a matador. Right now I'm higher up than Canada. Catch a wave on us. Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. Blue sky walking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a birthday. Things come to those that wait up. But don't wait to jump in too long. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Got the babes looking at me like it's dinner time. I know she vegan, but she want the steak tonight. Yeah.
So now I'm getting ready to curl the frontal of the wig. So I'm just brushing it out, making sure I get all the kinks and the tangles out. And I was trying to go for like a flip over one curl look, like an effortless curl, no part, but I really kind of still ended up giving myself a part. Like, I don't know. I need to play around and really figure it out. But I was trying to go for that no part flip over look. It ended up still doing a part. But that's crazy though. But I'm just taking my Shibon wax stick and waxing the part that I was not even supposed to be making down and taking my hot comb and making sure everything is smoothed out. But that was the thing. I was trying to figure out how you supposed to do a no part and then you still gotta hot comb it. I don't know. I was confused. It still came out cute though, but I was trying to really go for that no part. And I'm just taking it on this wand curl and just curling the hair. And I'm going to proceed to roll it back up with a Flexirod too, just to hold it. But back to this Thanksgiving, y'all. I just had to come back and tell you the rest of the tea. So I go to my dad's house expecting him to throw down. And oh my gosh, wasn't even nothing. Like, what was it this year? Y'all really didn't feel like cooking for real? Like, was y'all just throwing stuff together? The food was not busted. And that was really a shock for me because my dad always be cooking and it'd be good. Like, he really knows what he's doing. But this year, I don't know. So me and my brother looked at each other and we was like, yeah, we're gonna book an Airbnb next year and just invite Dad over. Like, when I tell y'all my Thanksgiving was tragic, like, it was fail after fail after fail. Like, nobody impressed me except for my mom and my grandma. But I'm just really sad over this. And this is me over here getting ready for Thanksgiving Day. That's how excited I was. Like, I'm over here doing my hair and my makeup, thinking I'm finna eat good. And the food is not even good. This is so sick. But as y'all can see, I took my Ruby Kisses and put that on my frontal and took the Sebastian Shaper Plus and sprayed that lace down, and I'm gonna tie it again and let it melt. Big bang, tight, little bite. Big bang, tight, little bite. Everything proper, no propaganda. Tropicana go yard bandana. Big sack, a lot of hoes like Santa. Threw a birthday party in a phantom. Big like a dinosaur did it. And you know, titty shining like a acrylic. Yeah, I sold dope and had cornrow. I can see you nigga hang with the door closed. Now I'm looking for a glove with a sparkle on it. And my CBD got chocolate on it. Big bank, take small. Bank account on some tall. Attitude on some you too. Bank roll on what it do. So as y'all can see, the curls is popping, honey. I'm still over here with this hot comb, trying to figure out how to do this no part. But as y'all can see, I clearly has a side part. So I just let it be a side part. But I'm going to try again. I'm going to come out with another hair tutorial where I'm really doing a no part with curls. And I'm just fluffing out my curls, unloosening the wand curls a little bit so I can have like that fluffy look. But not too fluffy, but you know, just a little volume to the hair. But it was looking good. It was giving scalp. Look at the makeup. Y'all see it. I did record the makeup video, the makeup look too, so be on the lookout for that. But the curls came out really nice. Better than I expected, because I was looking at it and kind of wasn't really feeling it for real. I think I was really mad because I didn't understand how to do that no flip over part. No part flip over. Oh my God. But yeah, the curls was cute. And then throughout the day, I don't know, I should have recorded throughout the day because I felt like my curls was falling throughout the day. I'm trying to like test out this vendor to see if it's really good. Like, can it hold a curl? It is curly hair, but it was still cute. I just be in my head too much. But thank y'all for watching the video. See you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon. Bye, babe. Big tight, little bite.